section, sort of like a basic introduction using Sage and for to solve a differential equation. It's an extensive field. A lot of stuff can be done with Sage, and we're just really scratching the surface here. All right, and basically we're investigating a differential equation, the derivative of x with respect, let's say to y, for example, plus x minus 1 equals 0. This is strange what I did over here. I'm not using the x variable, I'm using t instead. All right, let's take a look. All right, so I'm saying that it appears that now we're going to treat this differential equation as being a derivative of x with respect to t. All right, so I'm going to say x is some function. All right, it's a function of t. All right, so x is some function of t. I just don't know what it is. And now the differential equation is you're going to differentiate that function x, I just don't know what it is, by the way, with respect to t, plus the function itself, x, minus 1. That's a differential equation. And then I'm going to say desolve. All right? And what am I desolving? That differential equation right over here. Again, x is the function, and t is that the variable there. And it returns this over here to me. All right? So again, you can type those commands in, and you certainly get an answer over there. Someone says, are there other things you could be using? They got Laplace transform down there, and that's given this over here, and it's the code's written over here. You can take a look through that if you want. Probably will make sense if you're taking a differential equations course over here. And not only that, other things are written down. You take a look at the code. Again, if you're familiar with differential equations, I also plotted a slope field for you. Right? You may want to take a look at that as well. I find slope fields very tedious to plot, by the way, but not by computer. And I really think, although some teachers really spend a lot of time, having students graph these fields, I just think it's very unproductive. You should use a machine to do that. Machines are quite good at it. All right. I think that pretty much closes out, that introductory part of using Sage. It's just an introduction to. There's many, many places to go on the web to learn more about how to use Sage. All right. Thank you so much for paying attention.